Well, hello and welcome to the Rusty Glovebox today, and something that we're going to check out today is called a south wind heater. It's a gasoline heater, and they used it in the 30s through the 50s. They used them in cars, trucks, Volkswagens used them a little bit, even airplanes used them, but they're all a little different configuration. They changed over the years and all of that. But I've got one here that's a pretty good example, so let's go check it out. Well, what we have right here is a south wind heater, and it was originally created by Stuart Warner and put in American cars and trucks in the 1930s through the 50s. There was over 3 million of these sold, and it would work in any 6-volt car, and primarily with an engine in the front. It used gasoline and engine vacuum. And kind of your first thoughts, you know, gee, that's kind of dangerous. But here on the bottom, this is your, I believe, your vacuum port, and this is your fuel line. It used a special coupling at the carburetor and off the manifold, and the minute that it lost vacuum, then it automatically shut the heater off. What I'm going to do is kind of let you see some of the internals. Here was the little fan. Here was the combustion area, and they said within 90 seconds you would have heat from this. I believe this is the little safety switch. I've got a diagram. I'm going to be sure and put that in there. And it'll do a much better job on explaining what all these parts are than I am right now. But anyway, what am I going to do with it? I'm not going to put it in a car, but I thought what I would do is clean it up, paint it up, and it'd make a real nice decorative item to put on a desk or something like that. So anyway, guys, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop and checking out the little south wind heater, and I'll show it to you again whenever I kind of get it all cleaned up and all that, and maybe mount it on a nice piece of hardwood or something. So anyway, I do appreciate you coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here. Thank you.